Working with Josh Brinko of Josh Brinko Architects, Gaspar's construction team brought this homeowner's dream vision to reality. They removed the chimney and surrounding walls and brought in 4 new beams to support the new open structure. The team added a gas fireplace as a focal point on the main floor and a folding door to open the dining room to the deck for ultimate entertaining. They also added a waterfall-style butcher block countertop feature to house the homeowner's beer taps and site-engineered a sliding appliance garage door so there's no track in the countertop.